Welcome to India Today Tech. In this video, we're going to talk about a smartphone that has finally done away with the notch. Yes, there are no sliders, there are no notch on the new smartphone that has been launched by Honor. And it's not even yet 2019. Let's take a look at that. So the Honor View20 is the successor to the Honor View10 launched in 2018 with a glass back design and a metal frame. But the next big thing about this phone is that it comes with a punch hole display. That is, Honor adjusts the selfie camera in a tiny hole put on the display. Rest all of the space on the front is filled by the screen. Now this is not the first smartphone to have an all display front. There have been the Honor Magic 2 or Oppo Find X and a variety of other phones that have adjusted the selfie camera somewhere else to give you an all-screen front. But that comes with its own pain points. I mean, you need to either have a sliding design or put the camera itself on a slider like the Vivo Nex S. That not only increases the price, but dependability on a moving platform that reduces the overall life of the smartphone. And Honor is not the first company to do that. I mean, Samsung Galaxy A8s also comes with a similar display. And as far as the rumors go, the next few flagship smartphones like the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus will also adopt similar design. Now let's take a look at the specs of Honor V20. Now this punch hole display design is one of the several amazing things about the Honor V20. I mean, if you take a look at the back, Honor has given it a design that reflects concentric V-shapes at the back, giving it a very unique look. The phone packs Kirin 980 chipset that has dual NPU technology. This is the same chipset Honor used on the flagship Mate 20 Pro that sells in India at 70,000 rupees. Also at the back, it has a 48 megapixel camera which is from Sony, and that uses pixel binning technology to give you 4K recording and amazing photos. And thanks to the artificial intelligence on the Kirin 980, it is able to help a lot of things. For example, it not only helps detect which application you will be using most so as to optimize it, it will also be able to help the camera detect various scenes and keep the right settings to take better photographs. Honor also talked about a new feature called Link Turbo, and what that does, it switches between Wi-Fi and LTE connections, obviously to make out which one is faster so that you get better connectivity all the time. Taking in location information, it constantly analyzes Wi-Fi networks and LTE networks and also the apps you're opening, and will give you the best combination so that you are never losing out on internet speed. It will be interesting to see how all these features work in real life. I mean, we have used Honor smartphones before and not all the AI based features work well. On the Honor View20, it's also backed by new hardware, so it's pretty exciting. The Honor V20 comes with a 6.4-inch display that has full HD resolution. It's powered by Kirin 980 chipset that we saw on the Mate 20 Pro and is paired to 6 and 8 GB of RAM options and 128 and 256 GB of storage options. The cameras at the back include a 48 megapixel primary sensor which is from Sony and a secondary sensor that is a time of flight camera. At the front, the phone has a 25 megapixel shooter. The phone packs a 4000 mAh battery and will come with Magic UI 2.0 on top of the Android 9 Pie. Although as and when it arrives in India, it will come with EMUI 9.0. Now the Honor View20 has right now been launched in China at a starting price tag of around 30,000 rupees. But it is expected to come in India. I mean, you can already see on Amazon there's a page for Honor View20, and Honor has also announced it officially that it will be launching the smartphone in India pretty soon. The higher end variants of the smartphone start at about 35,000 rupees, and there's also a Moschino brand edition that comes with its price at around 40,000 rupees in China. So flagship grade hardware, new design and a mid-budget segment price. This is definitely some of the very exciting phones Honor has launched in the last few months. We'll keep you updated, so subscribe to our channel and do let us know what you think about the Honor View20 in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.